Hello, people of the internet. Today I'm interviewing my dog Cole. So Colby, hey Cole, we have some questions for you. Okay. So Cole, how old are you? I'm 21. So Cole might have said you have a very weird voice, Cole. What's your favorite food? Chicken? What cheese? Maybe. I know that Archie made a rap about cheese. I watched that. Yes, Cole did watch that. He liked it. He enjoyed it a lot. What do you think about cats? I think that they are... well, he does not like cats. Oh wait, but weren't you scared of cats? Aren't you scared of them? What? Well, that's preposterous. That never happened. Cats fear me. But you're smaller than a cat. No, I'm not. Okay then. So, that's too cool. Thank you, Jack. So cool. Colby, what would you do if you had $1 million? Well, I would try to destroy cat kind. Okay, well, he really doesn't like cats.
That was cool. I would buy it. I don't know.
Yeah, so this is an episode of Cole, Dog Wonder, and Nick, Boy Wonder.
Maybe I would pee, Jack.
Yeah. Okay. Well, hello there, Archie. How did you like my interview with Cole? I have a challenge for you, and you should do an interview with Suki. If you want to, I don't care. I mean, I want you to. That'd be cool. But yeah, I just scrapped this video together. It's, so yeah. Hopefully I'll see you sometime this week. And we can work on a video together. Forever. Okay, so yeah. I have found my hat. The hat on top of it. Hey Mom, is it true that you are planning on turning this into a lampshade?
Yes.
So I can wear a lampshade on my head and look stylish. Hey Colby, let's put this on your head. She's like, what is this wonderful new creation? It's a hat. Okay, I'll take that off. So yeah. My challenge to you, Archie, why do my eyebrows go weird when I do that voice? Is to interview Suki. And we should get together sometime and work on a video together. See ya. Goodbye, dog. And it had fun yesterday. Goodbye, Archie. And this has been another episode of Nick McKenna, Boy Wonder, sort of, and Cole McDonald, Funky Diamond Cheese, Puppy Wonder, Dog Wonder, Doglet Wonder. Yeah, bye.